Do you want funny meme sound effects for your videos, streams, or pranks? In this video, I will show you how to use the website mindstints.com, where you can find thousands of viral sound buttons and download them for free. First, open your browser and go to mindstints.com. When the website loads, you will see a large collection of meme sound buttons and soundboards. You can play any sound instantly by clicking on the button. On the home page, you will also see trending sound buttons. These are the sounds that are currently popular on the internet. When you click a button, the sound plays immediately. If you want to explore more sounds, click on the Categories section. Here you will find many categories like anime, games, memes, movies, reactions, pranks, and sound effects. Just choose any category to see related sound buttons. You can also change the website language by clicking the language option at the top. Available languages include English, Spanish, French, Portuguese, and Russian. If you are looking for a specific sound, use the search bar. Simply type the name of the sound you want, and the website will show you matching results. When you click on the sound button, a new page will open. On this page, you can play the sound and see several options. You can download the sound file, add it to your favorites, share it with others, or embed the sound on your website. The website also includes fun features like autoplay and random play, which automatically play different sounds, and that's how you can easily use mindstints.com to find, play, and download meme sound effects for free. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials.